Good morning, everyone. This is Azra Khan from Traveling with Mindful Azra, and today I am here at my beautiful downtown Fredericksburg, and I want to walk with you and show you around my downtown. And my Fredericksburg downtown is very old. It has a big history, and it has lots of wars here. George Washington's house is here, and Mary Washington home is also here. So this is a beautiful place to walk around. There are lots of parks here, and also they organize night trips, night tour, and ladies and men are normally wear their old ancient attire, and you just feel like you are in that era, and it is really amazing how everything is. All these stores are very old over here, but now they are building, they are making it little more modern. So what they are doing is they have this they don't normally they don't remove the front. They just renovate from inside. So what happened is when you so it is really nice to see the old look from outside, but inside all these small homes which they converted into little shops and restaurants, and they look so nice. This is the old church, and I love these churches around here. They have also old house of George Washington, and they give you the tour, and you just walk around, and they have the rooms all set up just the way it used to be when they were around, and you feel like you are here in the same era when they were here. So I'm just going to take you around, and it's 9:30 today in the morning, and I decided to walk around because the weather is really beautiful, and I thought it's the best way to walk and enjoy. In the daytime it's very hard to get parking over here, and and today is weekdays, so most of the people are at work, but still it's amazing how look at this. I love to look around and see these beautiful plants around, and this is my favorite one. It only comes in the winter, and this is my favorite. So all these buildings are really ancient, and here is another church. You can see it's a beautiful church, and there is a library in here, also really big parks in here. Also every Saturday before the COVID, they used to have farmers market, and people used to bring all kind of vegetables and fruits. Also they have freshly baked bread and different kind of baking items, and so it's really amazing. This is a very old park here. It's just so much fun just walking around, and then there is another church on that corner, and I think they converted it to the library now. Maybe, yeah, it was a church before. So this is what it's all about, my Fredericksburg. I just love to come here and enjoy, and so today I just want to share this with you. And one guidance I want to share with you is always be mindful when you're walking. Look around and see everything around you. Feel the breeze, hear the sounds of birds, and if you are late like I am, you can hear all the cars. But it's a very nice, oh, it's a courthouse. It's a courthouse, and wow, commissioned to Augustine Washington's father of George, appointing him a trustee of Fredericksburg in 1742. Wow. So everywhere you go you can find the history also, and it is so nice to read about those buildings, and it is really very fun to walk. Yeah, this is a historic courthouse. Wow, it's really nice. Look at this. Okay, I think we will meet again, and please try to walk as much as you can, and just enjoy the surroundings, and enjoy where you are, and relax. So thank you so much for walking with me. This is my first video, and I think it's not as perfect as it should be, but next time it will be better. And so well, thank you. I will take you to another places when I walk again, and I want you to enjoy with me. So goodbye, and share my videos, and subscribe, and please comment, like on it, and tell me what do you want me to do with my videos. And so thank you so much. Now I'm going to have coffee, and I'll see you again. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.